press meet. So I would request the personnel from the press to please come forward.
So, by now you have understood the kind of support that NASSCOM is trying to provide to the industry here. We are really delighted to be here. This conclave here definitely is a success. It's just a start, I'm sure. But the kind of work that Inspira is doing here, started to do here, is really inspiring. If I can put it like that. You understood from leaders in the industry how you can follow your dreams, maybe start of your own. Be passionate about it, and also be passionate if you are actually joining a company. Be passionate about it, put your heart and soul to it, and then only you will succeed. Ravi just shared that picture of Monday to Friday. Reminded a lot of us about how exactly you work sometimes. But really, if you like what you do, be in a startup or be it in a company, not a problem. So whatever it is, if you like what you are doing, you can enjoy all those 7 days of the way, right? So from NASSCOM, there are a lot of other initiatives. You go to our NASSCOM website, as well as the NQ website, you will find the kind of programs which are present to support you. Our leaders are a part of several councils, Analytics Council, Security Council, Product Council is very, very active here. We have Kamal and the professional folks here. We do a national conclave or NASSCOM product conclave in the city of Kolkata. This year, doing it in the month of July. A lot of participation from the government of West Bengal, bureaucrats, startups. One very interesting thing which we're also going to do is we're going to actually have a lot of interaction with CIOs, actual business users of IT. They will also be there. So from the entrepreneur side, from the industry side, there is going to be a lot of buzz which will be created. At a point, if we do some success cases here from here, it will take us a long way. And as one of our friends was just pointing out, even if there were 10 to 12 success cases, it increases employment, increases increases appetite for taking up something new and take risks. We have a group in Facebook called NASSCOM East. I would urge all of you to go there and search for it. And you are welcome to be part of that. You can see a lot of initiatives that we try to do here. Other activities like we also work with central government for donor initiative, which is called Development of Northeast. So we also are going to several other states in the eastern region and to try and see if IT and BPM units will be set up. They were working with governments there. I'm actually going to Guwahati, just taking a flight out. Then I go to Tripura. So a lot of activities happening. All of us are getting engaged. From your side, what really matters is passion is something which is extremely crucial. So any question? Any other points? Kamal, would like to make a point?
Yeah. So we had a great event today. So some numbers that I would like to point out to the press. We have had over 500 registrations. There were around 200 participants today. Right now there is a coding competition which is going on. The prize distribution is going to happen just after the lunch. We've had some very good speakers coming over and sharing their thoughts today. And we hope that we will be able to do this event as an annual property every year. So this is going to be like a focal place. Inspira is going to be like a focal place for entrepreneurship. We have an incubation space in the campus. So if there are startups who are interested, we could mentor them, we could look at them, we could kind of tweak their business plans. There are certain initial steps that we could take with this startup.
In fact, just add to what Atul just mentioned, when you pitch, actually as Ravi was mentioning, that you need to pitch to 10,000startups.com. But before you pitch and if you will come for actual presentation, you should be prepared, you should be mentored. So I'm glad that Atul picked it up. From this vision, if there are certain initiatives, I would like you to take lead. And before you actually go out and because this was golden 2-3 minutes of your time when you go and pitch in front of investors or the guys. So don't waste that. If you are properly ready for that. Arun Bhai shared a lot of live cases today in a funny manner, but it's all hard hitting. All the words that he has mentioned, take it very, very seriously. You have to be serious about this kind of initiatives. So I thank Inspira. It's a sprawling and very good facility. We just took a walk around the facility yesterday evening. Believe me. So world-class facility, I'm sure it will create a lot of buzz in the coming years in India, not about talking about Eastern region. So all the best Inspira for this.
Just a small word I would like to add. It is you who have to work. People around you will help you, but it is you who will have to act, work, and then only somebody will come forward and help you. So there is no shortcut to the success. Don't look for shortcuts. Thank you, and thank you once again.
Alright, thank you so much, sir.